This is the HomeVision full motion TV wall mount that we got. You can see here we have our 65-inch LG C2 OLED TV. Absolutely love this TV. Have a video on that separately. But I want to show you the movement of this. So with one finger, I can rotate this 180 degrees. So I can go to this side. We have the kitchen over there. You can probably see the reflection of the camera. Then if I did want it going this way, I could do that. We just have a wall, so we just keep it right here in the center. What's really nice is that this can go from 15 inches out all the way to 3 inches in. So if we want the TV really close to the wall, for whatever reason, we can move it in. It does also have tilt up and down, so that if we wanted a little bit less glare, we could tilt the TV down or up, which is nice. It has sort of this X accordion in the back going on, so you can see that I can push the TV in really easily. What's crazy is this TV has such thin bezels that I try my best not to get fingerprints on it, but you can see that with just a little bit of force, I can push the TV in right here. And now the TV is only 3 inches from the wall. You can see that that changes the look of the room. TV's actually tilted a little bit right here, rotated to one side, so I'm just going to even it out. And there we go. So that is the demonstration of the full range of motion that you have here. Let me show you one more time what that looks like from the back. So as we have the TV on the wall, crazy reflection of the plant right there, I'm going to pull the TV away. You'll see the accordion of the TV mount right here. So there's the mount opening up. And there we go. So it opens up really nice and easy. You can see a little zoom on that mechanism right there. Pretty easy to set up. The installation comes with sort of a guided piece right there. On the TV, it's a standard VESA mount. So if you've ever mounted any TV before, very similar to that. Absolutely wonderful. Holds this TV really well. And what's crazy is this TV is so thin that you barely notice it in the shot here. This is my iPhone. That's the TV. This TV is crazy. But yeah, I want to show you that mount right there. Hope this helps.